Welcome. If you want to make your Gmail inbox laser focused on what matters, here's a quick step-by-step guide to set your inbox to show starred messages first, updated for the latest app layouts. First, open the Gmail app on your device. This is the place where your most important emails live, and today we're dialing in the view that highlights what you've starred. Once the app is open, look for the menu icon, the three horizontal lines in the top left corner, and tap it to reveal the full navigation. From there, scroll down until you find Settings. It's usually near the bottom of the menu, so take a moment to locate it. Tap Settings to access your account configurations. If you have multiple email addresses, select the specific account you want to adjust. Now, you're in the Settings panel for that account. Look for Inbox Type. This is where Gmail lets you tailor how messages are organized. Tap Inbox Type to open the options for how your messages are sorted and displayed. In the inbox type options, you'll see different ways Gmail can prioritize messages. Choose starred first. This setting pushes all starred emails to the top of your inbox, making them easy to access at a glance. It's especially handy for catching important messages you've marked with a star, while still keeping the rest of your inbox available below. After selecting starred first, you can go back to your inbox and see the change take effect. The starred emails will appear at the top, followed by your unstarred messages. If you ever want to switch back, you can simply revisit the same settings area and pick a different inbox type, such as default or important first, depending on what works best for you. A couple of quick tips to get the most out of this feature. Stay consistent with what you star so those items stay at the top, and consider using stars for urgent correspondence or tasks that need your attention. If you use filters, you can combine them with starred messages to keep your workflow smooth and efficient.